The fire alarm went off over at Robertshaw. Yeah. Whoa. That's the building over there. There's a fire truck. Can you hear the buzzing and the siren in the back? Cause I can. I bet people are really scared. One time, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning and I was writing a paper for a class because I procrastinate a lot. And the fire alarm went off here in College Hall. And ooh, fire truck. Can you see it? And the fire trucks came and we all had to evacuate the building at 3 o'clock in the morning. And I was kind of stoked because I'd be like, yo, teach, or professor, whatever. I don't remember who it was for anymore. Oh man, do you hear that? Do you hear the engine roar on that thing? Holy smokes. It doesn't know where it's going. The building's up there. Let's go to the big window. Yeah, man. Check it out. Whoa. Jesus Christ. There's a spider. There's a spider in the window. Anyways. I thought I could get out of, writing that paper. But it turns out someone burnt popcorn instead. And it wasn't a real fire. So I had to finish the paper. Man, when I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. It'd be so sweet to rescue people from buildings. I wish they'd like blow the whistle thing. Like really loud. Like look, a recycling bin. Yeah, so this is what UPG looks like. See that building right there? And those kids? Oh boy. That is the computer center. Up there is the FOB. No, not Fallout Boy. It's the faculty office buildings and Powers Hall. This building, this magnificent building, is the library. It's basically amazing. It's huge. I work at the library, but not anymore. Because, it's the last day of class today, actually. Dang, this is pretty sweet to be actually documenting on the last day of class. As you can see, the room is very messy and I can't zoom out. This is Rennie's desk. Oh, very messy, very messy. That's where I was stationed. Popcorn that's burnt, Pepsi, Pepsi. Look, there's messages. I love messages. Post-it notes, of course. Crap. Bed. Doors. Let's go back to Robertshaw to see if the building caught on fire yet. Nope. Looks like it's pretty stable and non-flaming. It'd be sweet if it was on fire because it's pretty close, so they would have to evacuate us as well. But it might be bad, I don't know. Yeah. Yep. Oh, let's do this. Over there. Let's start right there. That's Chambers Hall. That's where the cafeteria and the gym is. It's basically not amazing. Over there is Smith Hall, where the science classes are, and the security center's down there too. It sucks. Big ones. Yep. This is UPG. As far as you can see. Yeah. There's like a lot of trees because we live in Pennsylvania. Ooh, the alarm just went off. Does that mean it's safe to go back in? Look, there's like 3 people over there. Everyone probably fucking went home already. I get real pissed off at the people that, well, they're all going back in. Oh, there's more than 3. Oh, they're all spread out. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. There was like 7. Oh god, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, look at that hottie with a body. Just kidding. Anyways, one time, actually this happened kind of recently. Oh man, the camera was all off. One time they actually rolled a keg through the window over there. And got it in there, put it in the shower. Those Robertshaw kids are bad. Yep. Guess we could say goodbye to the fire truck. Goodbye, fire truck.